Good morning, everybody. We got the 510 back there. We are letting the dually warm up, and we hope you're having a good Sunday morning. We actually just dropped a new video around 3 o'clock this morning, so go check that out if you haven't. It was a fun video. Found out I recorded it kind of the wrong way. We've been recording on GoPros, and I'll be honest, the whole GoPro thing's cool, but man, it's such a pain to record with. But anyway, it's not about ranting about GoPros. It's about hauling this beast all the way to our shop, which we will not unload until probably later today, if not probably tomorrow morning. But y'all be safe out there, and yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to the shop. So this has been absolutely nerve-wracking. I mean, it's still back there. It's yeah, it's not the most fun I've had in a morning, but it's been a morning. The rear quarter window decided it did not want to stay latched, and it decided to go wee and open up whenever I made the first turn onto a main highway system. And so I had to stop, fix that, and now we're still about 15-20 minutes from the shop. Normal driving, not yeah, not 30-40 miles an hour. But keep staying with us. We are at the final venture of our trek with the 510 being hauled on the dolly. Oh, by the way, mention, if you haven't been following, the 510's on the dolly, as you can see, you know. But yeah, so we are now pulling into the shop. Yeah, it's been an adventure. I'm not happy about it. I kind of am happy, but at the same time, I'm like, shit. All right, here we go. Well, so it's a day late, $1 short. Cody's truck is painted in Miami Beach. It's a beautiful color by Tropical Glitz. It's been a day to say the least. Look at that beautiful Alabama sunset. We got the lovely header, and we also got the 510 we're unloading. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload this. Now that we got Cody's truck painted, the 510 is gonna get unloaded, and let's just got them yee boys. Just take a look at this. Beautiful color. I'm not a fan of blue. I'd never advocate for the color blue, but when the homie says he wants blue, but it's a really wild color. It's actually got a gold pearl to it, and it's just beautiful. I gotta give credit where credit's due. It's Tropical Glitz, man. Like, it's just okay. It's all right. It's a blue that I can get down with. This will be cut, polished, and reassembled hopefully by Friday. And well, Cody will have his truck after we've had it for a while. God. But so, reason why we're unloading the trailer tonight instead of any other night this week, I've got to go pick up another customer of mine's, actually a longtime homie's Toyota MR2. It's a SW20, which I'll be doing a video on it tomorrow. But look at this thing. It's going to be so cool to unload. OSHA, you better be watching.
I'm the wicked wiener.
Well, 510's dropped off. Truck's loaded up with trash. It's been a fun 2 days. But y'all keep it easy and don't be steezy. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Sorry. But y'all take it easy. Have fun. Be safe. Peace.